The Ministry of Treasury has been dealt a blow in its bid to privatize the Kenya International Conference Centre and 10 other parastatals. The conservatory orders were issued by Justice Ruto on Monday in a case filed by the Orange Democratic Movement headed by Raila Odinga. ODM had earlier raised concerns over President William Ruto's plan to take the parastatal private, arguing that they were the state's assets financed by the public. In his ruling, Mwita noted that the opposition raised substantial constitutional and legal issues of public importance that require critical examination and consideration by the court. The court, as a result, ordered the respondents, which includes the state, to file responses to the petition within 5 days. He further directed that the petitioner will then have 5 days after service, to file and serve a supplementary affidavit, to which the respondent will then have 5 days to file and serve written submissions to the petition. Both parties are expected to make filings not longer than 10 pages. Towards the end of November, the state sought to privatize parastatals including the Kenya Pipeline Company, Kenya Literature Bureau, National Oil Corporation, and KICC among others. A statement by the Treasury at the time indicated that some of the parastatals which depended on the exchequer for funding needed other sources of revenue, while the profitable ones needed to be incorporated into limited companies. A few days later, Cooperatives Cabinet Secretary Simon Chelagi retracted an earlier directive to privatize the new Kenya Cooperative Creameries. The latest ruling comes barely a week after Justice Mwita suspended a plan by the government to lease several berths at Mombasa and Lamu ports. Aggrieved entities had filed a suit protesting the move, arguing that the state had not power to hand the berths to private entities. The case is set for mention on Wednesday, December 6.